Picture this. You're in the grocery store debating between a $2 generic brand and a $3 name brand. You pick the cheap one. Feels smart, right? But what if I told you that tiny $1 savings is actually costing you hundreds, even thousands of dollars every year? Most of us grew up hearing a penny saved is a penny earned. It sounds smart, right? But here's the problem. Our brains exaggerate small savings and ignore big costs. Think about it. You spend hours clipping coupons, comparing prices, and skipping coffee for a week to save $20. Meanwhile, that $20 savings comes at the cost of your time, energy, and even happiness. Even worse, cheap products often break faster, wear out sooner, or fail to deliver, meaning you end up buying replacements. Suddenly, your savings vanish, and you're left paying double or triple. This is what I call the penny trap, focusing on tiny savings while missing the bigger financial picture. Let's do some simple math. You buy the $2 shirt instead of the $5 one. Great, $3 saved. But the cheap shirt fades after 2 washes while the $5 shirt lasts 10 washes. You now need 5 shirts instead of 1. You opt for the cheapest phone charger. 1 week later, it fries your phone battery. Now you pay $50 for a replacement. Your cheap charger cost you far more than the brand name one. See the pattern? Focusing on pennies often forces you to pay dollars later. And not just dollars, sometimes big emotional costs sneak in too. Stress, frustration, wasted time. This is why most people who try to be frugal in small ways never get ahead financially. They get stuck in a loop of replacing cheap stuff, losing time, and missing out on smarter investments. Now, here's the secret weapon you've probably never considered. Opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is what you give up when you make a choice. Example, you spend $10 cutting your own hair to save money. That's fine, except the hour you spent could have been used for overtime, freelance work, learning a skill, or growing your income. The actual cost isn't $10, it's what that hour could have earned you. When we chase pennies, we ignore opportunity cost, and that's why frugal habits sometimes make you poorer in the long run. Here's a little psychology that's working against you. Loss aversion. We hate losing money more than we enjoy gaining it. That $1 feels huge, so we obsess over it. Immediate reward bias. Saving $1 now feels satisfying immediately, but the hidden costs hit weeks or months later. The sunk cost trap. You keep using cheap products even when they're failing because you already paid for them. All these biases make pennies look more important than they really are, and YouTube, social media, and ads reinforce it. Save $1, save $2, save $5, all tiny clickbait savings, but the big costs fly under the radar. Let's get personal. Here are some common situations. The cheap coffee. You skip a $4 coffee every day. Saved $120 a month, but the stress of low energy and crankiness hurts productivity, leading to lost income or mistakes. The discount plane ticket. You pick the super cheap flight with 3 layovers. Saved $50, but now you're exhausted, miss meetings, or spend extra money eating and staying in transit. The saving quickly disappears. The bargain gym. You pick the cheapest gym that's inconvenient. Result, you stop going. Health declines, medical costs rise. That $10 a month was false savings. Notice the pattern? What looks like savings is often just postponed costs, hidden expenses, or lost opportunities. Many people believe frugality equals wealth, but that's not always true. Frugality only works if it doesn't reduce your time, productivity, or quality of life. If it does, you're not saving, you're trading small gains for bigger losses. Here's a simple rule. Ask yourself, does this save money and my time, energy, or sanity? If yes, do it. If no, it might be a penny trap. The best investors and wealthy people rarely obsess over pennies, they focus on big wins, leverage, and efficiency. Instead of obsessing over pennies, focus on big impact decisions. Invest in quality, buy products that last longer, fewer replacements, less stress. Invest in yourself, learn skills, take courses, or build side hustles. 1 hour can generate more than weeks of penny pinching. Cut recurring costs. Subscriptions, unnecessary fees, and high-interest debt are bigger drains than skipping coffee. Automate savings and investments. Out of sight, out of mind. Your money grows without constant mental effort. The pattern? Big wins greater than small savings. Here's the paradox. The more you obsess over pennies, the more dollars you lose. Why? Because the tiny savings often come with hidden costs, wasted time, and lost opportunities. Meanwhile, ignoring the small stuff in favor of smart, big moves actually grows your wealth faster. It's like focusing on a single tree and missing the entire forest. The forest, your investments, career, and skills, is where real wealth grows. So, next time you're tempted to buy the cheapest option or clip a coupon for a $1 discount, ask yourself, am I really saving money? What is the hidden cost? Could my time or effort be better spent elsewhere? If the answer shows a hidden cost, stop. Focus on big wins, quality, and opportunities instead. That's how you actually make dollars instead of losing them chasing pennies. If this video opened your eyes, hit like, share with someone who loves penny pinching, and subscribe for more videos that show the hidden truths behind money, wealth, and smart financial decisions. Tell me in the comments, what's the biggest penny trap you've fallen into? I'll read every comment and reply to the most surprising stories. Remember, chasing pennies costs dollars. Focus on the bigger picture, and your money and your life will thank you.